Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best vacuum packing machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. REELANX V2 Vacuum Packing Machine. The REELANX V2 Vacuum Packing Machine 125W built-in cutter automatic food packing machine 10 free bags is the perfect household appliance that makes your kitchen look stylish. It is your best kitchen aid that lets you enjoy fresh food for longer. This vacuum sealing machine can be used for packaging meat, vegetables as well as snacks, herbs and chips. It has built-in cutter and automatic system that prevents the food from getting burnt or melting. The machine is suitable for both home and commercial use. It is a perfect combination of style and safety. The stylish design and cutting-edge technology of this food vacuum packaging machine will surely add charm and beauty to your kitchen. It will not occupy much space on your kitchen counter. Number 4. WOMSI SX168 Vacuum Packing Machine. WOMSI's SX168 vacuum packing machine is mini-automatic food vacuum sealer own cutting knife bag slot vacuum packer, including 10 PCS bags, is a must-have for any restaurant or food business. This one-touch machine with a powerful 12,000 mAh pump and an ejector pump provides you with the convenience of automatic features. Simply place your food into the vacuum bag, press a button and it's sealed instantly. It includes an adjustable cutting knife, which gives you the option to cut your bag at different lengths, a bag slot for easy feeding of the bag, and it will even suck the air out of bottles without a problem. It's a must-have for any restaurant or food business. Number 3. Biolomix W300 Vacuum Packing Machine. The Biolomix W300 is a vacuum packing machine that allows you to store food in a vacuum-sealed environment. The ability to store food in a vacuum-sealed environment allows you to store food for a longer period of time, and the food will retain its original taste and flavor. This is an ideal machine for people who are looking to save money by preserving food, who enjoy cooking and are looking to save time cooking, and who are looking to store food for long periods of time. Number 2. Saengq Vacuum Packing Machine. Saengq is a vacuum packaging machine that enables you to store fresh herbs and vegetables with up to 5 times longer. It's a food vacuum sealer and packaging machine with a built-in sealer base and a vacuum pump, which helps food retain freshness, taste and nutrients. This kitchen vacuum sealer machine has stainless steel construction with a non-slip base and easy-to-use push-button controls. The whole device is compact, so it is easy to store and clean. The vacuum packaging machine comes with a number of vacuum bags and lids, 2 sizes of stainless steel food saver bags, and a stainless steel clip. Vacuum packaging is a gentle and safe way to store food. It removes all the air from the package using a vacuum pump to remove air and oxygen from within the package. This prevents spoilage, freshness and enhances the taste and texture of all foods. Number 1. LAIMENG 6621 Vacuum Packing Machine. LAIMENG 6621 Vacuum Packing Machine is a unique product on the market. It has an intelligent vacuum sealing quality is very good, the ideal tool for food preservatives, especially for food packaging. Vacuum preservation is a very high-tech process. It can be used in the packaging and processing of many kinds of foods, such as dried products, aquatic products, fruit, eggs, vegetables, etc. It can also be used in the packaging of luxury goods, cosmetics, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.